What's up, Madden community? This is Mutt Geek, previously known as MT Squared, back with another Madden 23 Ultimate Team video, and today we are going to talk about the market, why you should be buying cards right now, especially training, and I'm also going to go into the auction house and show you guys my favorite filters. I spent a lot of coins yesterday and got a ton of training. If I quick sold all of my 94s, 93s, 89s that I bought yesterday, I would literally have about 4 million training. I'm saving those because I want to see what would be more useful tomorrow when the market shifts with Team of the Year coming into the game. Should I use those cards for training for packs, for Team of the Year cards, or maybe the training variety pack comes back? Or would it be more profitable for me to sell those cards with training increasing tomorrow? Real quick though, I did recently rebrand from MT Squared to Mutt Geek. This channel has grown quite a bit recently, and as a thank you for the support, I am giving a couple gift cards away, a $25 PlayStation gift card and a $25 Xbox gift card. Every video between Saturday, March 4th and Friday, March 10th that gets 30 or more likes will be eligible in the drawing, and all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment down below Mutt Geek, and a way to contact you. Twitter or TikTok is preferred. If you have neither of those, you can leave your email, and also please leave your console, either Xbox or PlayStation. Greatly appreciate the support. And if we go over to my binder, and I do also have a 98 overall Dolphins 50 out of 50 theme team on top of that, but if we go over to my binder and take a look at some of the cards that I bought yesterday, I'm gonna sort by quick sell value, and I already had some 95s, and you can see I have a slew of 94s. I actually bought most of these 94s on Monday when everybody was opening up those AKA new class training packs. I was getting those for about 85,000 coins, which was extremely low. I think I have about 35 or 38 94 overalls. And then these 93s, I've literally got like 55 or 56 of them. All of these 93s, I got between 55 and 57,000 coins. A lot of them for around 55,000 coins. I'm going to show you the filters that I was using to get those. And then also, I already had some 91s, some 90s, but 89s is another area that I focus on. 89s actually have the best trading value right now at 1.62 coins per trading, and I'll show you the rest of the trading market in a moment before we go into the auction house. But you can see I have something like 55 or 60 more 89s, and then I've also got a bunch of 88s. With the weekly wild cards coming out yesterday, those have been extremely cheap also. So you can see I have invested quite a bit into training with the anticipation that training will be going up tomorrow. Looking at some of the cards that I bought yesterday and this morning, I did buy a bunch of 94 weekly wild cards because I was building sets for Trent McDuffie and Latavius Murray to make some coins. But the 93s, you can see 56.5, 45,000, 55, 45,000. 59, 57, 53, 46, 45, 45, 59, 54, 53. So I'm averaging probably around 54 to 57,000 coins. Got lucky on some of those 45,000 coin ones. And then looking at the 89s, 8100, 11.5, 10.4, 99, 10.6, 98, 11.1, 97, 98. I mean, so this is I was trying to get 89s under 11,000, and then also I was playing around with 88s a little bit, trying to get them under 8,000 coins. Was able to get some for around 7 also, 5,200, 75, 69, 52. I mean, so you can see I got quite a bit of 88s under that 8,000 coin mark also. Before we take a look at the filters I was using yesterday, I want to show you what the current training market is like right now. This is on Wednesday morning, March 8th. This is before Team of the Year is announced and goes live tomorrow, March 9th, when Season 4 is also scheduled to begin. So you can see the 89s have the best training value at 1.62 coins per training, trying to target those at around 11,000 coins or under, and then 91s would be the next best option, and 93s both at 1.79 coins per training. I like 93s because I find that there's a few filters that you don't have to sort through 92s also. So I'm going to show you what filters I was using, and it's also a better bang for your buck. So you're spending less time getting training if you can get some of those 93s. 94s at 1.83 coins can be decent also. 92s can as well, and 96s. As you can see from what I just showed you though, I focused on 89s and 93s. So let's go take a look at the auction house, and I'll show you some of the filters I was using. All right, I am in the auction auction house, and I want to show you some of the filters that I've been using. 92s and 93s have definitely been the best for me. So if you don't use any filters, you can see that the cheapest 93 looks like 68,600 coins and around 70,000 coins. So you're going to be paying about 70,000 coins if you do not use any filters, but we're going to use some filters. The best one, in my opinion, is the weekly wild cards. This worked really well for me yesterday. Less people are buying those packs though, obviously, so the chances of getting these weekly wild cards is going to be a little bit less. You can see 63,350 coins is the lowest, and you don't even need to use all offense or all defense. You can tell by the bar on the right that this has all of the 93s in there. And why I like these filters is because you do not have to filter through 92s. The Campus Hero Part 2 promo, 64,600 coins. So you can see that right now, training is already on the rise. Harvest is another one that worked for me pretty well yesterday. So you can see Randy Moss, 60,850 coins. There's one for 62.6. Training is going to continue to rise throughout the course of the day, and probably later on tonight, it's going to go even higher. If you go to like Team of the Week, you do need to filter through the 92s. Looks like the lowest is 66,100 coins. 89s was another filter that I really liked yesterday. Looking at Campus Hero Part 2, it looks like there's nothing there. We're looking for anything under 11,000, really anything under 12,000 coins, with the fact that training is on the rise. If I go over to AKA New Class, 12,600 coins, that's not terrible. If we go over to Team of the Week, you do need to filter through those 88s. Looks like the lowest one is 12,100 coins. If we go over to Legends, we can see there is a Mike Allstott 89 for 12,100 coins. Flipping back over to 92, 93s in the weekly wild card, 65,100 is the lowest one there. If we go back over to Harvest, that Randy Moss is probably gone, yeah, and that other one for 62,000 coins. Redux was another one that wasn't terrible yesterday, although it looks like, again, 69,600 coins. So it looks like if you're going to be trying to get 93s, it looks like anything under 65,000 coins is probably going to be the target price right now, because training is definitely on the rise for two reasons. One, people are not getting packs as much because there's no new cards that came out today. Training was very cheap the past 2 days because of the AKA New Class promo on Monday, and then yesterday the weekly wild cards promo. So you're really going to have to filter through and try to snipe some training. I would say anything for 93s under 65,000 coins, or you could switch to 91s also. So 91s, you'd really want to target under 30,000 coins. You can see there's a 91 right here for 30,100 coins in the Team of the Week section. If we go over to Legends, you can see there is a 91 for 30,000 and another one for 29.85. So it looks like 91s actually might be the way to go right now. A lot of people are going for those 93s. I think there are 91s in the weekly wild cards also. It looks like we've got a 91 for 28,250. So that's a really good deal right there. Actually, we're actually going to see if we can nab that, and we were able to. But usually the odd numbers, so 89s, 91s, 93s, usually those have the better value for trading because people are less likely to want to filter through and go through the 90s to get to 91s, to go through the 92s to get to 93s, etc. If people have endless coins and are just looking for trading, then they're probably just going to be buying whatever is first on the auction block. Gridiron Guardians has no 90, so you could check here. There's one for 30,000 coins for Charles Woodson. We'll see if we can grab that, and we were able to get Charles. If we go over to the regular AKA promo, there are a couple 91s for 29.2 and 29.5, 29.6. So yeah, definitely looks like 91s is the best value right now. I think a lot of people are using the 93 filters and those 89s because those have the two best trading values. So I would recommend looking at 91s right now. And remember, you really only have the rest of today, Wednesday, in order to get training for tomorrow, because once tonight comes and the stream happens, and if they announce that there's any type of training offer, training is going to skyrocket in price. If it does not tonight, then tomorrow, when the training offers come into the store, then that is when training will skyrocket in price. So take advantage of this now. And if training happens to not go up in price, the risk that you're doing when you're trying to filter out and get cheap training is very low. The chances of you not being able to sell these cards for what you bought them for is extremely low. If we just go over to regular 90 to 91s with no filters, we can see that the lowest 91 overall that is selling for is, there's one for 30,350 coins, and then from there it's 32,350, 33,600, 36. So you should be able to at least sell these back for 33.5, in which case you'd be making your coins back that you paid for them. But I don't think that that's going to happen. The expectation is that training is going to go up in price. The last 3 years in a row, there has been a training offer for Team of the Year cards, which even if the training variety pack does not come back into the store tomorrow, training is going to go up. Last thing that I want to talk about in this video is whether you should or should not sell your cards, is whether you should or should not be selling anything in your binder. As far as selling cards, I would not recommend selling any cards today. I would wait until tomorrow because of the market going up. If you have any high overalls that you are looking to get rid of or upgrade tomorrow when Team of the Year comes out, then you could potentially sell those. Or if you want to try to spend some time filtering and getting rid of some of your golds, today is a really good opportunity for that since you aren't going to be selling anything else. And I know a lot of people are like, what do I do with my gold? So I've been focusing on going into teams and say like Chiefs is a popular theme team and then just going all the way down and seeing what I can sell out of some of the golds. I sold a bunch yesterday, so I don't really have a lot left. Positions that sell very well are offensive line, defensive tackles, middle linebackers. Defensive tackles and middle linebackers because you need 4 of each of them on a theme team. And then offensive line because everybody needs a backup offensive lineman on their theme team. And there's less options for those. So I don't really have much of those left. Fullbacks, kickers, and punters also sell very well. So even this 80 overall fullback I'll probably sell because so regular 80 overalls go for like 2,000 coins. The fullback 80 overall, even this Michael Burton card probably sells for like 4,000, 4,500. Yeah, actually even almost 5,000 coins. So I'll put this up on the auction house for 5,000 coins and see if we can sell that. Other teams that I would look at are the Eagles. Again, pretty much any of your low gold you should be able to sell. I would not recommend quick selling them because I know you aren't selling them for much, but quick selling them for training is even worse. If you're going to filter by team, I would say the Falcons is another popular one. Ravens are very popular right now. Vikings are popular. 49ers are always popular, obviously. Same thing with the Raiders. The Saints are pretty popular. Cowboys, Commanders, and Chargers have been pretty popular throughout the year. If you don't want to sort by team, you can just go over 2 positions and go over to left tackle, left guard, center, right tackle, right guard, and go right to those positions and go down to your low golds and sell them off that way also. So right tackle, Brandon Parker for the Raiders. He's going for 7,500 coins right now, so I could put him up for 6,000 maybe and try to sell him. Mike McGlinchey for the 49ers probably won't sell because he's got a couple upgrades that are probably going for cheaper. Yeah, he's going for like 1,900 coins, which still isn't bad. I mean, if you can sell 20 cards for 2,000 coins, that's 40,000 coins that you did not have before. So you pretty much have today only left to invest in training. It is highly expected that training will be going up tomorrow with Team of the Year coming into the game. There has been a training offer the last several years in a row for Team of the Year. It is not confirmed yet that will be happening. It probably will be discussed on the stream tonight, which is at 7 p.m. But once it gets announced, if there is indeed a training offer, then training is going to skyrocket. There's also the possibility we won't find out until tomorrow when we open up the game at 10:30 when Team of the Year is expected to go live. It's possible it might not be until later in the day, but if you wait until then you've waited too long. Training is going to go up very quickly once it does happen. And again, this is not confirmed. This is just based off of what has happened over the last several years in the past. It's also very possible the training variety pack will be coming back into the store tomorrow. With training being so low right now, EA would have to put the training offers for the Team of the Year cards extremely high. In order to make that lower, they would have to raise the cost of training, which adding the training variety pack would help do. So I anticipate that we could potentially see the training variety pack back tomorrow. Again, that is also something not confirmed. So invest in some training today. Decide how many coins you want to spend on your investments for today. If you're looking to sell, just try to get rid of some of your golds in your binder. And best of luck to you tomorrow when Team of the Year comes out. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it or found it helpful. And if you did, hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see my daily videos. And thank you for watching this video.